Hello and welcome to another video on DesignScript. In this video I'm going to be talking about geometric booleans. So I'll begin by importing the standard library. And creating two kind of solid objects, essentially two spheres at the moment. So a center point, or sphere requires a center point and a radius. So I'll say point dot by coordinates 0, 0, and then a radius of 6. And I'll make another sphere, center point radius, coordinates, and make it at 4, 0, 0, and also with a radius of 6. So we can see those right now. Oops. Forgot a comma. All right. So here are two spheres. You can see that they're two separate objects. Say when I select one, I can delete it. If I select another one, I can delete it. They're basically just two geometric objects overlapping in 3D space. I can actually merge those two into a single object by using the union command. So union essentially takes the kind of combination of two objects and removes the kind of overlap, or rather the overlap simply is absorbed into one object, and the duplication is removed. So now we can see when I click on this, it's actually creating one object, and you can see the kind of parameterization lines that AutoCAD is drawing work in a sort of smooth path along the exterior of this object. So when I delete it, obviously the whole thing disappears because this now has been combined into one single object. There's another kind of Boolean operation that you can do on two shapes, which is difference. So difference takes this tool object and subtracts it away from the base object. So it says tool will be the kind of thing to scoop out and remove from the kind of base object, and there we can see the result here. And there's one last Boolean operation, which is intersection. Okay, we can do that here. And intersect is basically going to take the intersection, the overlap between these two objects, and only keep that, only keep the parts that are in both of them. So they're actually three really simple functions, but they offer kind of a very powerful functionality in terms of combining objects together. Booleans are, yeah, very powerful, but there isn't much more to say, so thank you for watching.